Um, my name is Sri Charan. My registration number is 15CS134. Today I'm going to show the video on dynamic OSPF routing. This is one kind of routing, dynamic routing, um, where the routing takes place in dynamic, and the OSPF is, we can shortly say OSPF as like, it chooses the fastest and easiest path in order to complete the routing in a better way, in a faster way actually. The basic thing we need to know here is, you need to give the like router OSPF process ID. That should be some number which you take actually. That can be anything of like any number of which of your sort. For this to happen, I've created a topology like where I've used three routers and three PCs. For this to happen in dynamic routing, what and all are to be taken is, um, there are various commands to be shown. That is, if you would see over here, as I said in the previous videos about how to configure the router, you need to check and you need to check how the router works, like this G by 0 and the subnet mask and everything. In order to configure the router, first you need to give the command as router OSPF1 in config, and further you need to give this statement as, um, if the area ID is 0, of 0 is R1, then the network address will be 192.168.1, which is over here, and the remaining thing changes as 0.0.0.255. And similarly, you need to configure both the remaining two routers such as R2 and R3, and then you need to see whether the systems are connected to the router perfectly or not by the following steps. Here you can see the configuration of PC even, and this is what is in dynamic routing. And while you are going to show and while you are going to ping and show in the router, the following steps to be followed are, like, first you need to give the command enable, and then you need to like show it if it is, the following command you need to show are like, this one is like a router config router for SPF. This configures your router, and then first you need to give show IP OSPF neighbor when you are pinging. And then while you're checking out, I'm going to go back to my topology and show you how this happens. For this to happen, I'm going to do it with this one. That is, for this particular router, I'll go to CLI, and here you go, router 1. If I give the command that is show IP OSPF neighbor, you get the following lines such as, the neighbor interface ID, etc. This shows how the change state happens and everything. Thank you.